This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to make bubble noises with your mouth. It's a fun and easy trick to learn. First, take a small breath and fill your mouth with air, perhaps about 1/4 of its capacity. Make sure your lips are sealed tightly to keep that air trapped inside. Then, gently press your tongue flat against the roof of your mouth, preparing for the next step. This initial setup is crucial for a clear sound. Now, let's create that satisfying pop sound. While keeping your lips sealed, slowly draw your tongue backward, creating a tiny space between it and the roof of your mouth. This gap should be very narrow, perhaps just a millimeter or two. Then, with a gentle push, force the trapped air through this small opening. The sudden release of air through this constricted space is what produces the characteristic bubble noise. You can easily vary your bubble noises to make them more interesting. Try using different amounts of air. A larger volume might give you a deeper, more resonant sound, while less air creates a quicker, higher-pitched pop. Also, experiment with the speed at which you release the air. A faster release often results in a sharper sound. Adjusting your tongue's position slightly can also produce unique and varied bubble effects. Like any new skill, practice is key to mastering bubble noises. Spend a few minutes each day trying out different techniques. You might even try making a rapid series of bubble noises, creating a fun, bubbly symphony. Once you feel confident, share your new talent with friends and family. It's a simple, amusing trick that's sure to bring a smile to everyone's face. Enjoy your new, bubbly skill.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.